Lazarus Forest is one of the few remaining natural forests within central Uganda, and particularly here in Luweero. And currently, Bethany Land Institute is making all the efforts to restore this natural forest back to a climax, an ecologically functioning forest. So Lazarus Forest is a natural forest that was heavily degraded, but Bethany Land Institute came in to manage the forest starting in 2020. We've been doing a lot of restoration efforts within the forest, mainly doing enrichment planting and also encouraging natural regeneration within the forest. The forest has started to recover as we're seeing signs of life being given back to the forest. We have seen streams come back and we have observed new trees emerging due to natural regeneration. And today we are trying to actually look at our efforts for the past 5 years, and to assess that, we've come into the forest and we are looking at 3 important tree timber species within the forest and seeing how they're actually regenerating naturally. So among those trees is Melissia excelsa, commonly known as Muvure. We are also looking at Myzopsis seminai, locally known as Musizi, and Albizia zygia. So why we are particularly interested in these timber species is because they're very important to us and they play a key role in the forest ecosystem. So during our assessments, we are counting the number of seedlings within a 20-meter plot circumference, I would say, and we are looking at also the saplings and mature trees. This will actually help us to determine how the forest will look like in the next 10, 20 or 100 years, which will help us to also plan for our next restoration processes, or how we can actually help the forest regenerate naturally. As you can see at the nursery, currently we are multiplying these seedlings that we use in our outreach program, and we also use it to enrich the forest. We plant them back through our enrichment planting, and we also plant this in the restored area.